Hello Odoers, welcome to this video. Today I going to represent the Simplify Access Management app and its uses. Internal control is the most vital and essential part of any ERP. It is the key to preventing your ERP from failure. In Odoo, user permission and access rights are very complicated, and in order to build it up, you necessarily need technical knowledge. However, you do not need any technical knowledge for Simplify. With Simplify Access Management, you can hide menu, submenu, you can manage the access rights of any module, fields, with user selection. And it is a time-saving process. Let's do this, how it works with Odoo database.
In this video, we will see how to modify the access right of fields for particular user and model. You don't need any technical knowledge to make fields invisible, read-only and required. In Sales module, suppose we need to remove Create option from customer fields. Also remove external link. Next, salesperson field should be non-editable. Make this fiscal position field invisible. And we need to expiration date is required. In order to do, we need to create a new rule in Access Studio. Select the users. If you have multi-companies, you can select the company too. Then click on the Fields Access tab. Add the line and select the sale order model. Select the field and mark checkbox to provide rights. Now, save this record. Refresh the page. As a result, we can see, in Customer field, there is no creation options. Also, external link is hidden. Salesperson is non-editable. Fiscal position field invisible. Expiration field is required. You can do this to any model, any fields in Odoo database. Simplified Access Management provides the feature which allows you to create user-wise models, report actions, views, export, access rights from one place. In Sales module, suppose we need to hide views from users. Also hide Create option, restrict print action, and other actions. Also restrict actions from Quotation module. In order to do, open Simplify Studio and create a new rule. Add a name. Select the users. In the Model Access tab, add a new line and select the sales order model. Select report you want to hide. Select the actions to hide, also views. Mark checkbox to provide permission. Save and active this rule. Refresh the page. As a result, you can see Create option is not available. Also, some views are hidden. Mark demo does not able to do print and other action. On top of that, actions are hidden in Quotation module too. You can do this to any module in the Odoo database. I know how essential for business owner to restrict some access of users. In Odoo, there is no any possible way to create a rule on user-wise. Don't worry, I have a solution. You can restrict access of action buttons, object buttons, tabs and links of the model for any user from one place. You do not have need any technical knowledge for it. Follow me to see how it's work. Suppose, in Inventory module, we need to hide the links from Kanban view. Hide buttons from Transfers module, also hide some tabs for reference. In order to do, open the Simplify Access Management app and create new record. Enter the rule name. Select the users. In the Button tab, select the transfer model and add all the buttons. All the tabs that you want to hide. All the link that you want to restrict. Save and active this rule. As a result, you can see all the links are hidden in Kanban view. As well as, in Transfer module, selected buttons and tabs is hidden for this user. You can do this to any buttons, tabs, and links of any module for any user. Now you can set access rights of main menu, submenu for any user with Simplify. Suppose, we need to hide main menu items as timesheet, website, purchase, inventory from users. In Sales module, we want to hide orders, to invoice, products, menus and also some items from submenu. In order to do, open Simplify Studio and create a new record. Add a name. Select the users. In the Hide menu tab, add a new line and select the models and submenus that you want to hide. Save and activate this rule. Refresh the page. As a result, timesheet, website, purchase and inventory module are hidden from the page for this user. Also, orders, to invoice, products menu are hidden. Some submenu items are hidden too. You can hide any module, menus, submenus and parent menus in Odoo database with Simplify. I know how essential for the business owners to keep data safe. In Odoo, without technical knowledge, there is no any possible way to create a rule user-wise. Don't worry, I have a solution. You can make filters, read, create, update, and delete access to any data in the Odoo database. Follow me to see how it works. Suppose, in the Sales module, we need to hide other salesperson's orders for the Smart demo user. Also, restrict Create button for reference. Let's restrict Delete access to. Assume you want to forbid users from sending mail. Now, in Access Studio, create a new rule. Add a name and select the users. In the Domain tab, add a new line. Select the sales order model. And give rights as you want. Make a filtration rule. Save and active this rule. Refresh the page. As a result, Create button is hidden, and the Mark demo user has only access to his orders. Also, Create and Edit options are not available. This user has not been permitted to delete the record. Mark demo cannot able to send the email form email button. The error suggests contacting the admin for that operation. You can do this to any module in the Odoo database.